What's happening, Captain?
I got some fucking chicken on the way. I was hungry. Not a lot. Not enough chicken. I have one piece left.
Okay.
It's for me.
No, give it to me.
I ate 2 on the way here.
You woke up at like 10.
Yeah, I didn't eat, motherfucker. Drink a beer and get out there. Let's go. Fucking hand it out.
Okay, welcome guys. So I guess DJ, you're getting ready to go back out, right? So SuperD. Heck yeah. Little late trying to get the rest of the stuff recorded and everything, but yeah, we're gonna go see what he's up to. We're gonna make sure that he's running right, so he finally got some sparks and stuff fixed. And yeah, I think. Oh, lucky number 34. Uh-oh. All right. Cool, we're gonna go see him run. I gotta go take off, so when you guys come back, I might have some footage for you, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we're at break right now. It's lunchtime. My car's running decent. I have a bad IAC, I guess, so I need to change it out. It is right there. It's just 2 8 mils. I was idling in grid at like 2,500 to 23 grand, and my car was just getting really hot. But I got a couple really good laps in. Hopefully I qualify. Qualifying is in a couple hours, so I'm sure we'll get some videos of that. And yeah, we're about to start working on it, make sure it's all ready after lunch.
So, tell me real quick, who just borrowed your phone?
Adam LZ did for like 4.5 hours.
That's funny. That's cool.
He's like, you guys have service? I'm like, yep, there's a hot spot.
Yeah, he's cool. That's his car, right?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Well, it's not his car. He's borrowing it from White Plate because I guess the S13 that he bought from Chelsea to Nova, the guy was supposed to bring it and he bailed on him. So.
Oh well. Things happen. Are they all done, or like is this for the?
That was.
Gotta speak up a little bit.
So that was Group A practice, the second one, and then now they're gonna go to Group B practice. Then there'll be like an hour break, and
I thought lunch was at 12. It's 12 right now.
Oh, is it? Well, they still have to do the Group B practice.
I just want to say, you're a real D-bag. Because I heard Adam LZ's using your hotspot to upload a video. Where's the hotspot? Why are you the big What?
I was going to ask if you were going to fanboy, and there you did. You did it.
No, you're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit. But I understand. But still a piece of shit. I know, as soon as Derek told me that, I was like, this motherfucker's gonna die. I'm gonna kill him.
Hey guys, when I was editing this video, I noticed that nobody really said that Josh was going to be riding in car with Adam LZ, and nobody really knew. He just kind of hey, you want to go do it. Anyway, so you're going to see that next, and then you're going to see a lot of some that cinematic stuff, and then we'll close out the video with the rest of the vlog stuff. Want to let you know, and stay tuned. You're going to see a lot of cool in-car footage, so here we go.
That was so sick!
So apparently, one of our boys there totaled his car. Don't have video from that, but we're gonna see what it looks like. It's been a long day. So after DJ's been fixing his car left and right. Problem after problem. I think he had his e-brake, what do you call it, bolt bent, and then after that, well, before that, I think he had his idle air control valve was screwing up, but well, we still had fun. So let's go. I'm actually almost there now, so let's go and see what's going on. You know, it's never good when there's a bunch of guys standing around it. Ooh. Well, it's not too bad. It's pushed in.
Yeah, it's gonna have to be full tube front after this. Of course, board's gone. Frame rails are buckled.
Ooh.
There's gonna be a new radiator, cooling system.
Well, at least looks like a lot of the parts are savable.
I think Wise Fab might be okay.
Of all the things to survive the Wise Fab, huh? Cool. Man. You hate to see that, you know? Well, at least he's okay.
Yeah,
You were
that was, definitely crazy.
So you were behind him. What ended up happening?
He just went to go manji. We were both like third gear pin, probably like 70, 75. Went to go manji and just didn't, he wasn't able to come back. He understeered or something. But I thought he was going to clear it, but he hit the last cinder block on the very last little stack. And he moved it like 3 or 4 feet, the whole cinder block.
Really?
Yeah.
Was that the last cinder block?
Very last
the one
cinder
I've been
block.
standing at all day watching
Yep.
people fly by? Oh, man.
Yep.
Like, good thing I wasn't there again.
Yeah.
How many pieces? You've moved it 3 or 4 feet? Jeez. What do you think, Remy?
You know what would help? If they let his bash bar pass tech, if he had his bash bar on. Because he wasn't running his stock bash bar or anything.
Oh.
He hit straight stock support. Yeah, stock frame. He didn't have a bash bar or stock one or anything.
Like, we've
All
been
because SuperD wants a bumper instead of a bash bar.
We've been having a day. So, let's see. I think I told them earlier. So, what is it? So, you had a e-brake issue. He had tie-down issue for
Yeah.
tech for his battery. What else?
My bumpers. My idle control valve was messing with me, so I had to take it off and brake clean it. Got brake clean my valve brake. And then I snapped my hydro, the master bolt.
Yeah, so at least you hear it better from him what it is, but yeah, the idle air control valve and stuff. Yeah. Like I've mentioned that, I just didn't know if I missed anything else.
Definitely playing with the
All right, we're ending out the day. Oh my goodness, I can hardly see anything. Hold on a second.
I spilled the natty daddy on my
There we go.
Sure, dog.
All right, real quick, everybody, that was the day. It was good, right?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah.
A lot of seat time.
They ain't paying attention. Oh well.
Dude, I'm wet right now.
All right, well we're gonna end this one out.
Usually that's a preferred thing.
Josh literally got to ride with Adam LZ for like 2 hours.
It's
Was it
true.
really that long?
Yes.
I know it was like
out there with
10 laps.
Killian's mom for 40 minutes.
It's like an hour and 10 minutes on you sitting on the grid.
Yeah, I think you'll talk about that a little later, don't you think?
Yeah, definitely.
All right.
Talk about that.
All right, well, good night. Peace.